Wheeling can be a frustrating hobby. Engines die, parts break, and sometimes it feels like you're spending way too much time and money just fixing up your rig to break it again. But all it takes is a day like today to remind me why I love it.
What's going on, guys? Today we are back and we have got all of the builds from the channel, including the new 85 out, and yeah, we're wheeling. Hopefully we can find some snow, some obstacles, who knows? Let's get to it.
Dream big, 'cause boy, you're gonna make it. Stand tall, there's a higher road you're taking. Let go of everything that you know and be wild in the mystery. Yeah. I've been.
Looks like Boy needs a tug already. No locker. 5 minutes in the wheeling.
Because this was a shakedown run for both the 85 and Corey's budget build, we decided to stick to the gas line on the Kookanusa run. Because there's still fun spots to play on, but still bypasses and easy spots for the 85 to get by just fine.
Can you help me out? I've been more certain of truth before. Called a righteous man before. Yeah, I've been closer to Jesus before. So can you help me out? Oh, can you help me out?
Alright, so turns out Boy's rear tire is a little bit flat here. So we're just busting out the Smitty built pump, and the rim itself is a little bent. This was a known issue before, but yeah. We'll be back on the road in a couple minutes. Well, I'm surprised it didn't happen sooner, but I blew up a berth. Walked 37s, I was trying to climb this thing, and yeah. I guess I'm done for today. Figured out how to get out of here in like two-wheel drive, I guess. Alright, well I thought it was a berth, but clearly it's not. This hub was just sitting there loose. So that's kind of neat. All the studs must have sheared. Yeah, the studs are sheared in there. Awesome! Piece of junk.
And of course, because I can't wheel anymore, the guys decided to end the day with some river bottom donuts.
Okay, boy, that was your first trip out in the 85. What do you think?
More than what I expected. They actually did things that I figured I can never do in it. Works just like a charm.
You heard it there first. He actually likes the Toyota, and holy, this is icy. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed that, and yeah, if you like the stuff, guys, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.